how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. So let's get started. Firstly, open up the Settings app on your Windows PC and now click on System and then head over to Activation by scrolling down a bit. Here you will see an option that says Change Product Key. Click on the Change button and now you can enter the new product key that you purchased or have in your packages. Once done, the system will now be activated and you won't see the activation message anymore. As is known with Windows, the bugs are plentiful, so it could also be possible that it could be a bug that might be causing the activation service to display that your system is not activated. So in order to fix that simply, launch the Settings app on your Windows PC and click on System. And with the System page open, scroll and select Activation. Then on the activation page, you will see the troubleshoot option. Click on it. You will have to follow the on-screen instructions and then run the troubleshooter. Now you will be able to see the troubleshoot option on the activation page only and only if your Windows PC is not activated. Once the issue has been resolved, you will no longer be seeing the message on the activation page. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.